It is night time and all the supercars are parked outside the garage and Cyrus is also with these supercars and Cyrus is looking a little worried and Darius is taking the GT2 RS out of the garage and moving it somewhere else and then Cyrus gets into the GT3 RS and Cyrus tries to park the GT3 RS in the garage and Cyrus finds out that a huge bear has also been seen outside near the trash can and Cyrus thinks that the bear may have come for some food and then after some time the supercars are parked in the garage. Darius also hears that a huge bear has been seen outside near the trash can and then Cyrus also parked his car Cadillac outside the garage and Cyrus is thinking about the bear. Then Cyrus and Darius go inside the house after parking the cars and Cyrus checks the cameras in the house and Cyrus wants to see what animal is outside with the trash can. And Darius thinks that maybe the trash can does not have any animal because the trash can is shaking due to the wind and Cyrus does not see anything in the footage. And then Darius receives a call from his father and Darius' father tells him that there is somebody at the gate and Darius' father thinks that something is happening at the gate. Then Cyrus checks the camera again and in the footage a guy is seen walking near the gate and this guy is wearing some kind of bag on his head and Cyrus and Darius see that this guy drops the trash can in the middle of the road and Cyrus and Darius are wondering who this guy is and why he is trying to mess with trash can and Darius thinks that maybe this creepy guy left a message in the mailbox and then Cyrus and Darius think that they should go outside to the gate and check what is going on but Cyrus thinks that the creepy guy must have left because the footage is from an hour ago and Darius is also worried about who this guy is who has come to spoil the night and Darius thinks that they should definitely check outside to the gate. Maybe this creepy guy might be hiding somewhere near the gate. Then Cyrus and Darius quickly get in the car and are going to see who was at the gate and Darius feels like that guy had a paper bag on his head. And Darius sees in the footage that guy was also knocking on the mailbox. Then Cyrus and Darius come to the gate and it is seen that the trash can is down and there is nothing in the trash can. And Darius can't find that creepy guy anywhere near the gate appears. And then they get back in the car. They are wondering who that guy could be and Cyrus and Darius can't find out anything about what guy, why that guy came and what he was doing.